morning. Good morning.
What are you having for breakfast? Better.
I'm making Chinese pancakes. Today I'm going to take you what we eat in a day or what I cook. And we're going to do some fun things today.
Where are we going?
Every weekend my head is activity after activity. I have to do something. Let's go. Oh,
I can make my eyes and play games.
you guys can play games. So now let's make breakfast. I have to save myself first some caffeine. You would make coffee or tea. Today I have some special tea I'll show you. 小青桔. Take one. You can see the tea leaves inside the citrus fruit. Let me put this in. Let's have my tea. This is just the first of the day. I feel like now I'm waking up slowly. Yeah, Chinese pancakes. We always have this for breakfast, especially on the weekend when we have time. I don't have measuring spoons when I'm growing up, so I use my Chinese eyeballs to measure.
Let me eat some flour chopsticks.
面粉怎么能吃呢? Flour.
It tastes disgusting. It tastes good, right? Stop it. Hello. Why are you always be in the middle, Oscar? I know to crack with. I can do it with one hand.
哦，那个太难了，你要先练习。哎，你给我捏坏了。The shell's in there. 这样，这样。
Look on me. You did it on me. On me. Bit. Stop. I'm trying to mix. Let me mix. Hey, it's trying to.
What a circus, right? Traditional one, we just add water, but now we have milk. Slowly pour in. We need more water and milk. 面粉啊。怎么？Sugar is for pancake batter. 怎么偷吃糖 ？Steal my sugar. Everything absorbed like 15 minutes. Or you can also make this the day before.
Cook this.
Once your pan is hot, we turn down because you don't want to burn your pancakes. We put some oil, we pour in.
Yummy. Pan.
Now we're gonna quickly make it bigger.
Make it flat like paper.
Let it one side cook and we flip.
3, 2, 1.
See? Oh!
Do a star. How? Yeah, YouTube pancake. And do a like if you see it. For mommy! Yeah!
Try this hot.
It's a hot. I cut this into a YouTube shape. Yeah.
How about
Is it ready to flip?
Oh, it's good. Still the YouTube logo shape.
If you see it, subscribe 1 million times. Hello! I'm flying!
I'm flying.
My turn.
I'm the circus ringleader. Ooh, 好吃。
I got markers to color on our pancakes. Ta! I told you don't write on my pancake.
这个可以哦。
I should do this. Blood.
什么？
Blood.
快下 Let's eat and we can go. We have some fruit. Okay. Change. Go change clothes. Let's get ready to go. And pack the pancake in here. 走了，我们快点儿。Look at outside, how bright. All the snow and sunshine shining on my face. Here, got a science museum. Let's go look at some dinosaurs today. 防腐剂，对，这个是真的鸟。Wow.
Next one. And how do you make this entrance?
We are here in the Chinese restaurant.
Station.
Lunch.
Order all the beef.
This is the Peking duck. Can you open this?
It's duck on the duck.
Peking duck. Good.
That was
Going home, make some dinner.
going home right now.
Oh boy.
Well, yeah, I'm very hungry.
Home. Okay, got home, so we are going to make dinner. And a typical Chinese dinner is called 三菜一汤. So 3 dishes, 1 soup. Spanish tofu soup, 2 meat dishes, stir fry with vegetable, and 1 vegan vegetable dish. Oh, I'm too old. I can't even jump on the counter and talk closer to you. Okay. Every meal, Chinese meal, is always rice. Rice is life. Let's make rice first. My favorite music. Let's get the vegetable for soup. Here are my favorite vegetable, 莴笋. Garlic. Those 3. Have 2 homemade stock ready. Or if you're vegan, just use water or vegetable stock. Put both in to start my soup today. When I grew up, my grandma just peel with a cleaver. Everything's cleaver. We don't have a peeler. We crush it. Okay, let's cut this in the middle. Now, let's put the tofu in first. No, Spanish looks like a lot. When you put it in, then it turned out to be nothing. It's only been like 30 seconds. I think the spinach already cooked. Secret weapon in Sichuan cooking. This is my homemade lard. You can see I'm almost done. I really love to use lard. Adding the soup really adds a lot of flavor. If you are vegan, just add sesame oil. Always add the white pepper in the soup. Little bit peppery taste. Salt to taste. Your favorite chicken powder or MSG. Add some umami flavor. Let me taste it first. Hot and delicious. This is called 莴笋, salted. It's like my favorite vegetable. This you can make a stir fry, make a cold dish like a salad. Also, my pickle jar right there, best for pickles. Skin's a little tough, but the inside when you peel, it's really jade green. Look at that color. I have the dried wooden ear mushrooms. I soak them in the water about 30 minutes. Diagonal. I use pork tenderloin for this dish. So wok cooking is high heat, cook quick. So everything has to chop or slice small. Chop them even smaller. So now we put cooking wine and cornstarch or bean starch, marinated meat first. I'm massaging my food, not my husband. So set on the side. Pickle jar here. Oh, so heavy. If you're new here, I'm introducing you my pickle jar. She's 16 years old, probably older than you. Maybe I need to give her a name. Comment below what her name should be. Take out some pickled pepper. If you don't have pickled pepper, you can skip this or just use some dried chili peppers, or you can buy the pickled peppers. 爸爸，看辣椒。
这是真的？
真的，来吃一个。
真的？
是真的。
Do I'm eating a real one. No, it's not spicy. 你骗我 I ate a ghost pepper.
Cooking oil first. So this is like exercise for me. So we put ginger in the hot oil first. Pickled peppers. The pork. Then we put in the meat on the side here. Sichuan chili bribing paste. Until oil is red. Then we mix the pork in. And saltus. Add in. This cooks really fast. Look at that. Let's taste it. So crunchy. So good. Who wants to come over for dinner? Join my circus. Let me know. Oh, look at this. For you? Another dish I'm making is a celery stir fry with ground beef, roasted celery. They are much bigger than Chinese celery, so I have to cut them a little smaller. Rice is ready. My food is not ready. Hot wok, cold oil. Get the oil all over the wok. Slice of ginger, ground beef. Stir fry until the beef turn color. Now we add Chinese cooking wine, Sichuan peppercorn, just a little soy sauce. We add the celery, toss in. This cooks really quick. Add some salt to taste. Your chicken flavor or MSG. This is ready. Oh, you This one's for you, but don't leave. We're still cooking. Last dish we cooked this vegetable pea tips, dry pot. Looks like a lot, I know. The vegetable down. So this step would get rid of the water. Cooking oil. I have some chopped garlic. Some that fragrance out 30 seconds. Really fast. We sprinkle some salt to taste. Some umami flavor. Let me taste this. Let's set up dinner. Hope they're hungry. Here's soup. Dinner is set up. This is how my parents, my grandparents, or me call kids for dinner. First, I'm going to turn off iPad. Then take a deep breath. 吃饭啦！吃饭啦！ They're gonna come. 哎，看好楼梯。坐下吃饭，宝宝。今天好多菜啊！你要跟妈妈做吗？ This is pork or the beef.
Okay.
That's the just vegetable.
What's dinner so long?
这个是一点点辣，你不要尝一点。这个是牛肉。
And you want soup?
Or
你说呢？快点吃点。
that doesn't look like a Momo face on you. Yes. How a chili.
Here.
People always
来吃块辣椒。
camera. It's not a lot. You're just talking to yourself. Chicken is more spicier, and this one's less spicy. Oh. What chicken? I mean, the meat. What? It's not even chicken.
Oscar, everything is chicken for you. Everything.
Yeah, you always say chicken. I'm vegan. I'm not. 2 brownies.
我看2个太多了吧？
Homemade. 演什么游戏？
没有了，睡觉了。你看，上去刷牙。
Remember, I got pictures.
你参加了画展啊，真棒！参加画展啊，刷牙。好。
My mini. Chicky, Chucky. 妈妈，我要给你分享那个不是那个
好多东西。
My cat.
你假装的还是干嘛？睡觉。
Dark hand. I mean glowing hand.
去睡觉，去你房间。口红。
Go home.
好，不拍了，你把灯关了睡觉。
我要睡。
Finally, kids asleep. It's time for me to get ready for bed. You know me, I'm a night owl. At night, I can focus. Hope I'm not going to sleep too late tonight. Yeah, I'm still watching my phone. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a good sleep. Thanks for watching. Good night. 晚安。